And you already know I am back with them late night Hollywood trades. And this is actually my first trade review I'm doing in a while because it's my first trade I'm doing in a while. My workflow is starting to slow down a bit. We're actually taking days off. And tomorrow I don't have to do much work, and I am up late. And as you guys know, I definitely have been tracking the NASDAQ movement, and I seen a potential. What it was I seen a potential um, issue here with this top side, and there was a lot of testing. And usually, when you have a lot of testing like that, you can kind of, once you start getting lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, eventually you will need at least one lower low. So when I seen it come through this, and it came through it for us, I knew. And the bar method, of course, we know, right? We have all the levels below at this point to target. This level not so much, because you got this level and then only this level. So usually what'll happen is, let me use this. Usually what'll happen is, inside of this you'll get some testing of some levels similar to these. So I knew that this would potentially be the range I would be dealing with. And then looking at the daily, I was looking at this level, because this is where a gap is at. Usually price can just come into these. Like, there's no threat to the institutionals if price comes in here, even if they're long. They know they can fill a lot of longs in here, and stack longs here before they seek further buy side, which would be at this level and this level at this point. Market secrets, right? I should release that in the next YouTube. Market secrets, right? Unlimited levels, unlimited liquidity levels. But as we go down to the 3-minute, this is why I entered the trade. So we had the idea already from the higher time frame, but the reason I entered the trade, and also that that gap has been rebalanced. I actually wanted to do that on film as well, so I'll take that as a balance. And we know these balanced price ranges can be deadly if they reject. That's what same thing we got here. It balanced it, and then just rubber band rebound. So anyway, we're at 3 minutes. All right, so we know we're bearish. What I saw was this again with the balanced price, right? It's crazy how that keeps happening, right? It's just downright strange, right? So I seen that balanced price, and I'm like, that's a break and retest point there. It hit it, price broke, right? And then it finally retested it, and then it printed bearish. When it printed bearish on this very candle is where I entered as it was closing. So I seen it about to close, and then I entered, put my stop at the top. I wouldn't have cared if it hit it. I don't care, as long as I don't keep doing it over and over and over again for no reason. But I just targeted that right above that void level, and lo and behold, it's in there now. So that's what's crazy. It actually, and then when we get a low like this, we expect it to come up, turtle soup some stuff, and then keep going. It'll either turtle soup. That's usually what you need. You'll need the turtle soup, and you'll need this is actually a CRT motion. I don't draw these on the chart much, but this is why I have this channeler here. So this was actually a CRT movement. Candle range theory. A lot of you guys be asking what the CRT is. That is candle range theory. Study up on it. It is worth it. It is well worth it, actually. And that's pretty much what you get here with these CRT. This was a CRT short. See, I took the close. I always like to take the close in balance, rebalance, or imbalance, and then the lower close. That's just a really good. You got this whole candle, right? So we got this level, and this level here. And this candle is what we'll use to monitor our release. And then that, that's just what we do. But this CRT one's a little bit more tricky because it incorporates a candle in one direction, in the trending direction, and then once price exhausts itself, and that's what happens. This is an exhaustion continuation. When price exhausts all of its, right, this is a range from here to here, right? Boom. Right, that's a range. Boom. And then there's an exhaustion, right? Range, exhaustion, range, exhaustion, range. It's creating ranges. It's not ranging, it's creating ranges. Range. CRT, candle range. Exhaustion, candle range. When it comes at this type of exhaustion, when you have that trade opportunity, you go ahead and you pop that, the stops out of that, or stop hunt, or what they call turtle soup, which is a stop hunt. You hit that stop hunt and then you exhaust that range again. So I'm going to go ahead and end it right there. That was too much sauce for free. The PDF and the course will be coming out soon. I don't want to charge for this, obviously. However, people don't value things unless they actually force themselves to spend time on it, and you won't spend any time on it. If you're a newbie, if you're a person that doesn't like this type of stuff because it's scary, you will not force yourself to study what I'm showing here. Even in these free videos, they'd rather pay for it to force themselves to study it. So yeah, that course is definitely going to be coming. I'm not breaking the bank for it though, but yeah, this type of stuff, like there's a lot of people asking questions about CRT, and I hope people understand imbalances. I mean, I feel like a lot of people don't understand imbalances either, but you got to go imbalances before you can probably even understand the CRT. But the CRT, by the creator, Mr. Romeo himself, is said to be one of the most advanced algorithmic type of movements right there. And they often lead to double bottoms, triple bottoms, and stuff like that. And then now we have a new range here, but it's not a fresh range. Like these are fresh ranges, fresh range, trying to get to, that ultimate liquidity inside of that unlimited liquidity level, right? And so that's pretty much it. I'm going to go ahead and arrivederci out right now. Have a great night. Be safe. I'll see you in the morning. Share this with someone who needs it.